the, I don't even know anymore. I've lost count. Let's see what we got. Really? Distance, midpoint, and slope. Really? That's just algebra 1 here. All right, you know what? Let's just get through this. Okay, I've got 2 points here. What do you think I'm gonna do with it? 2 points in a graph here. Hold on, let me check my dictionary. 2 points in a graph. Okay, I'm gonna plot these points. Yeah, I'm gonna plot these 2 points. So A is 1, 7. So X is 1, Y is 7. So I'm right here. B is 7, -1. So X is 7, 2, 3, 4 comes after 6, 7. All right. -1 down 1. Boom. Now, to find distance, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a triangle. Yay, shapes. Okay. So I'm going to connect these 2 lines, creating what I hope to be a triangle. Don't laugh at me. Whew, that wasn't good. And there we go. Yeah, close enough. So I'm going to find the lengths of each of these 2 lines. I'm going to do something special when I find those 2 lengths. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one's 8. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So now look what happens. When I draw my third side, my hypotenuse is what we call it. Remember, in right triangles, hypotenuse. Yay. There we go. Boom, that's as perfect as it's going to get. Don't judge. So now, to find the length of AB, the distance between A and B, here's A and B, let's use the Pythagorean theorem. Remember this? A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Yay. All right. A, I'll say, is 8 here. So 8 squared. Plus B, I'll say B is 6. 6 squared equals C squared. Let's solve this equation now. 64 plus 36 equals C squared. 64 plus 36. Wow, I need to get some sleep. 64 plus 36. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 100. Boom. Equals C squared. Am I done? Nope. Square root. So the square root of 100. Square root of C squared. So square root of 100 is 10. And then square root of C squared is C. That means this line, the length is 10. Yay. So now the second thing, let's do midpoint. Let's find the midpoint of A and B. Midpoint of A and B. So usually on a graph, you can just eyeball this sucker. So look at that. I'm looking at this line here. I'm going to guess, like this is an educated guess. By all means, don't judge. Educated guess. So I'm going to say, I'm going to guess. I think it's right here. So there actually is a way to find it perfectly. So just like I did before when I drew my triangles, I'm going to draw more triangles. But now I'm going to use the midpoint of each side, A and B. So if A is 8, the midpoint or half would have to be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll draw a line right there. The second side, 6, half of that is 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'll draw my line here. So you see what these 2 lines intersect? Right there at that point. So my midpoint, the coordinate would be where I have this point here, which would be 4, 3. 4, 3. Last thing is slope. I really shouldn't have to tell you how to do this again, but some of you will forget, and that's okay. That's why we're here. So, slope. To find the slope of AB, all I'm going to do is look over my vertical and horizontal. So I look. What number do I have for my vertical here? From A to B, vertical is 8. So I'm going down 8, right? So it's negative. And then I'm going to the right 6. So that's my slope, negative 8 over 6. But to be a good algebra student, you'd have to reduce this. So if you reduce this, what do we have? It's so difficult. I wish I had a calculator. All right, let's see. So I will have 2 goes into this 4 times, so -4 over 2 goes into 6 3 times. Yay!